Hi there. Today I'm going to be demonstrating the digital guard dog keyless ignition module. I'm going to be doing this on a 2012 Victory Cross Country. Alright, now to cover up our hole here, gone ahead taking my cheese wedge, there's my ignition one here, and I got myself another 106 badge to cover the other side. So cover up our old hole. Line up the tabs, snap them back on. There we go. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and test our system now. We have our dog tag. Our buttons here are black and are red. And we're going to go ahead and do a test of the manual mode of operating the system. We're go ahead, we're going to flip the switch to the start position. Try the start button. Okay, nothing happening. So we're in the run position here, nothing on the starter. We're going to hit the black button. You can hear the bike starts up. And we can go ahead and start the bike. Next up here, we're going to show you how to switch modes on your dog tag. So right now it's in manual mode, that's how it comes shipped. We're going to put it in automatic mode. We're going to push and hold both buttons. You'll see the red LED comes on. As soon as that goes out, we'll let go of the buttons. You'll see it blink 5 times. That lets us know that we're now in automatic mode. Alright, so next up here we're going to test the automatic mode. So right now the run stop is in the stop position. We're going to go ahead and flip it to the start position. As you can see, nothing happens, no start. Okay, I've placed my dog tag off in the distance here. I'm going to walk over and pick it up. We're going to test the range as I walk back to the bike. There we go, it's kicked on. About 10 feet away or so. There you have it, the DGD KIM Digital Guard Dog Keyless Ignition Module. Easy to install, even easier to use. Happy riding.